नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। माई सेल्फ डॉक्टर अनीता चौधरी, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ मटेरिया मेडिका, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी। टुडे टॉपिक इज limitations of materia medica. Every science has some limitations. Homeopathy is not an exception. The true understanding of scope and limitation of materia medica helps the homeopathic physician to be more confident on the efficacy of prescribed medicine. Few limitations are listed below. First is no proving records are available on pathological changes in homeopathic materia medica. There is no medicine which has been proved upon the production of pathological changes in proper application on these drugs. Very often we come across few pathological symptoms. There is no special proving of dynamic drug with an intention to get pathological changes. Pathological symptoms are not being much characteristic. Example, complete ectopic atrophy, advanced malignancy, etc. Second point is it is unimaginably vast. Nobody can remember all the symptoms. Example, drug like Apis has covered 64 pages in herring guide symptoms, sulfur 99 pages in Allen's encyclopedia. It is too vast of symptoms, so we cannot remember all the symptoms. Third is in cases of irreversible pathology, pathological symptoms are obtained from clinical practice after being cured and from records of poisoning, as there is no special proving of dynamic drug with an intention to get pathological symptoms. There is lack of characteristic pathological symptoms in our materia medica. It has limited scope in irreversible organic changes or advanced structural damage take place in cases of acute emergencies. Certain drugs, which fourth is in cases of acute emergencies, we have limitations, so we can't handle in cases of acute emergencies for homeopathic treatment. Fifth, certain drugs which are partially proved rare remedies, so utilization become difficult. Sixth, in proving practitioner attempt to characterize about 30 modification of the sensation of pain by much descriptive words like aching, boring, tearing, tingling, etc. But in many cases, it is extremely difficult or even impossible to represent our sensation by words. Next, many of our provers were non-medical men, so most of symptoms lack authenticity. Next is lack of sufficient female provers, so female symptoms less. Next is no dependable pre-operative, post-operative or preventive drugs in our homeopathic materia medica. It has little scope in the field of contraception, drug-induced abortion and anesthesia, etc. Next, no dependable specifics. Next is there is no book on materia medica which we can claim to be complete and containing everything. So these are some limitations of our homeopathic materia medica. Next topic we discuss scope of Mathematica. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.